We're incredibly excited to be listed this year in the Fast Growth 150. It represents for us the validation of our growth strategies and the acceptance by our customers of our lifecycle management philosophy, regardless if it's product, services, third-party maintenance, or IT asset disposition at the end of their lifecycle. A great example of lifecycle management in the third-party maintenance space is a project we did for a multinational oil and gas company. They had maintenance on server, storage, networking, and a vast variety of products. We were able to help that customer coordinate their service needs through traditional third-party maintenance, 4-hour response, next business day, but more importantly, on-site spares, hot swappable spares, courier services, because as you can imagine, an oil rig can't be reached in 4 hours. They've told us this $1.8 million savings has allowed them to invest in areas that drive additional profits and growth for their organization. As we look forward, we're excited to see what the future brings. We see expansion in additional server storage offerings, our IT asset disposition, growth in third-party maintenance, as well as our professional services offerings.